Welcome to our video. Why Flutter doesn't work alone. While Flutter is a fantastic tool for building cross-platform mobile apps, it doesn't exist in isolation. Today, we'll explore how Flutter fits into the broader mobile app development ecosystem. Mobile app development isn't just about writing code for a single platform, it's about delivering a great user experience on multiple platforms, such as iOS and Android. This is where Flutter comes in. It's known for its write once, run anywhere philosophy. Flutter provides a rich set of widgets and a fast development cycle, making it ideal for building the user interface of your app. Flutter doesn't handle everything on its own. First, it relies on the Dart programming language. While Dart is easy to learn, you need to familiarize yourself with its syntax to write Flutter apps effectively. Second, Flutter works with various plugins and packages. These plugins allow you to access platform-specific features like device sensors, cameras, GPS, and more. For example, if you want to integrate Google Maps into your Flutter app, you'll use the Google_Maps_Flutter package. Managing packages is crucial because it brings additional functionality to your app. Next, let's talk about databases. Flutter doesn't have a built-in database system. To store and manage data, you'll need to choose a database, whether it's a local SQLite database, Firebase, or a RESTful API. Before releasing your app, you need to thoroughly test it on different devices and screen sizes to ensure a seamless user experience. For deployment, you'll need to consider app stores, app distribution, and updates. In summary, Flutter is a fantastic tool, but it doesn't work alone. It's part of a larger ecosystem that includes programming languages, plugins, packages, databases, design, testing, and deployment. By understanding this ecosystem and how Flutter fits into it, you'll be well equipped to build powerful and successful mobile apps. Thank you for watching, and happy app development!